It's Sharon from Ponderosa Garden Adventures. I'm here at Lowe's this morning, and I know they've got big sales coming up on mulch and other garden things this weekend, so I always try to get there a day early. Today's Friday, and this is how you budget garden. I spent $32 and I saved $45. Let me show you what I got today. Okay, so here's what we have. I got a flat of verbena ground cover, which is good in sun and walkable, and it was originally $23.98 and I got it for $7. I got a flat of carpet of stars, which was $24.98 for the flat. I got it for $7. I needed this cedar fencing 6 by 10 feet to put on the other side of our keyhole garden project, and that is marked down from 16 to 10. And then I got this house plant, $14.98. It was marked down 50% off, and it looks great. It's got one little leaf here that needs to be trimmed, and it looks perfectly great. I'm at my second stop of the day at Home Depot and how to garden on a budget, and let me show you what I got. Lots of clearance things. Okay, geraniums, and this is my favorite color, by the way, of the geraniums, and they were on clearance for $2. I've got 5 of those, so that was $10. And then I got some violas, a 6-pack for $3.98, so for under $18, I got a whole cart full of color. Happy shopping. I hope you find as many bargains as I do. Bye, guys.